Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about comparing and graphing ratios. So we have problems like this. You mix 8 tablespoons of hot sauce and 3 cups of salsa in a green bowl. You mix 12 tablespoons of hot sauce and 4 cups of salsa in an orange bowl. Which mixture is hotter? Okay, so we can go ahead and we can take the information here. Okay, we've got 8 tablespoons, which we're going to abbreviate like this, to 3 cups. Okay, and then over here, we've got 12 tablespoons to 4 cups. So 12 tablespoons to 4 cups. Okay, now, it's hard to compare these at this point, so what we want to try to do is get a common denominator for these. Okay, so 3 and 4 are the denominators. We're going to convert these to 12 cups. Okay, on both sides here. Because that is a common denominator. So, in order to keep these in balance, we took 3 times 4 is 12, so we're going to take 8 times 4 is going to be 32 tablespoons. And over here, we went 4 times 3 is 12, so 12 times 3 is 36 tablespoons. So now we've got them compared into the same units. We can compare, oh, this one has 36 tablespoons of hot sauce. This is going to be the hotter one right here. So the orange bowl ends up being the hotter one. Okay? Okay, so let's move on. So this is a skill that you use all your life. Which bag of dog food is better to buy? A 20-pound bag for $17.20 or a 30-pound bag for $25.20? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to figure out what is the cost per pound. Okay, that'll tell you the best buy. In fact, a lot of these labels will actually break it down for you, so you don't have to do that. They usually tell you what the cost is per ounce, and then you can buy the cheapest one. Oh, okay. Excuse me. So, cost per pound means that we're going to take one of these. It's going to be $17.20 over 20 pounds. And that will give me, this is the cost per pound right here. Okay, and then over here, this one is going to be $25.20 for 30 pounds. Okay, so we just got to figure out which one's the cheapest one. So we're going to take this, divide this by 20, so 17.2 divided by 20, that will go into 17, so we'll put our decimal point right there. Let's see, this would be 8, that'd be 160, and then I subtract, and I'm going to get 12, and I drop down a 0, and that'll go in there 6 times, that's 120, and that's 0. So that terminated rather quickly. This is basically 86 cents per pound. Okay, now we're going to take $25.20 over here and divide that by 30. So, again, there's a decimal point. Let's see. That should go in there about 8 times. 8 times 30 is 240. That leaves 12. Drop down a 0. That'll go in there 4 times. 4 times 30 is 120. I subtract. So this is 84 cents per pound. Okay, so 84 cents a pound versus 86 cents a pound. This is your big winner right here. It's better, if you can afford it, to buy 25 pounds. That's a terrible circle. It's better to buy 30 pounds than it is to buy 20 pounds because it's cheaper. Now, sometimes you got to buy the smaller one because You know, maybe you got a small dog and won't eat that for a long time, or maybe you just don't have $25 on you, and that's why you got to buy the cheaper one. Okay, so now you're going to do this. You're going to compare a 30-pack of paper towels, which costs $48.30, to a 32-pack, which costs $49.60. Which is the better buy? Explain why. Okay, so you go ahead and pause the video here, do this problem, and then jump back on and see how you did. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is figure out how much is in each package is each paper towel roll. So this is $48.30 for a 30 pack. So I'm going to go ahead and divide that. 48.3 divided by 30. So that's going to go in there one time. That's 30. That leaves 18. Drop my 3. 30 will go in there 6 times. Oops, I forgot my decimal points right there. Okay, that's 180. Subtract, drops my 3. Drop down to 0. That goes in there 1. So in this package, each paper towel roll costs $1.61 per roll. Okay? We don't want to box that yet because we don't know if that's the winner. Okay, now over here, this one is $49.60 for 32 rolls. Okay? So we're going to take $49.60. We're going to divide that by 32. Again, that'll go in there one time. There's my decimal points. That's 32. Subtract that 17. Drop down my 6. Okay, so that'll go in there, what? 5 times? 5 times, I think. So that's going to be 10, 15, 16. Subtract that 16. Drop the 0. And that's going to go in 5 times again. That's 160. And I get 0. So this is $1.55 a roll. That one's cheaper. So that's the winner. It's cheaper per roll, so if you can afford it, that's what you want to pay. That's the way you want to buy it. Okay, so here we have a hot air balloon rises 9 meters every 3 seconds. A blimp rises 7 meters every 2 seconds. Explain the table or complete the table for each aircraft. Which one rises faster? Okay. So, it rises 9 meters every 3 seconds. So, there's 3-second gap here, so there's going to be another 9 meters here. It's going to be 18. Another 3 seconds is going to be another 9. That's 27. Another 3 seconds is going to be another 9, so it's going to be 36. Okay, so we've completed that table. Now over here, every 2 seconds it rides 7 meters, so this is going to be 14. And it's going to be another 7 is going to be 21. And another 7 is going to be 28. Okay, so which one rises faster? Well, let's see. Do we have a clear winner here? If we went a little bit further with this one, let's say we went 10 seconds. Okay, that would be another 7 meters, so that would be 35. I'm sorry, and then we went 12, that'd be 42. Okay, yeah, you can see in 12 seconds this rose 36 meters. 12 seconds, this one rose 42 meters. The blimp is the faster choice. Let's put a box right here and we'll say, we checked the faster box right here. Okay. So you can graph the ordered pairs, time and height for the tables in the problem above. What can you conclude? Okay, so we can go ahead and graph those. So if we have the red ones here, we had 3 and 9. So 3, 9's going to be like right here. And then 6 is going to be 18. So that's going to be like right there. And we're not going to stay on this chart very long. If I go 9, that's 27. That's going to be right here. So if I look at this on the graph, it's going to look like that. Okay, so now we can do the blue one. Okay, so every 2 seconds it goes 7 meters, so 2 seconds is 7. 4 seconds is 14. It's going to be like right about there. You can already see it's getting bigger. 6 seconds is going to be 21. It's going to be right here. 8 seconds is going to be 28. That's going to be right there. So you can see that this already rises at a faster rate. So it confirms what we got up here. Okay. So there you go. This is a short lesson. We're going to do 1 through 21 odd in class next time. I look forward to seeing you guys. I'll talk to you later.